Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to do a haul. We'll be sharing with you items that I just purchased on my recent trip to Manila. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Kung napanood niyo yung Singapore vlog part 1 ko, na-mention ko doon na pupunta kami ng Pilipinas. We were there for almost 6 days and I got a day pretty much to shop. Most of these products are beauty and skincare related products, pero meron din naman clothing. So simulan ko muna sa clothing. Hindi ako masyadong nakapamili ng damit kasi nga, nung pumunta kami sa mall, sobrang busy na kahit na umaga pa lang. But I got the chance to visit one of my favorite store, which is Kamiseta, and then I got 2 tops. First one is this striped long sleeve with a dog pattern. Nagustuhan ko kasi yung color nito kaya I picked it out. It's like a stripe of blue, pink, and white, and it's in the size small. Perfect siya for winter, especially now here in Dubai. It's winter time, so yeah, that's why I picked this one. And then the second blouse is this off-shoulder stripe in red. Tapos meron siyang flower pattern, which I think is really cute and it's perfect for summer. So now I'll proceed with beauty products. So yung unang items na ipapakita ko sa inyo is from the brand called Bohktoh, and it's their false eyelashes. I got in the P053 lashes, which is more of like thinner and natural lashes, and then the other one is the 019, which is more of like thicker lashes and is mostly meant for like nighttime. Next items na ipapakita ko sa inyo is from this brand called BLK Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure you heard of that, guys. I'm so excited to get my hands on this line, particularly the lipstick line. So the first one is their long-lasting liquid matte lipsticks in the shade Simple and Sassy. I also got 2 items from their Velvet Lip Cream, which is refined and alluring. I got 4 items from their All Day Intense Matte Lipstick in the shades Bubbly, Chic, Fearless, and Charming. I also got their Contour, Blush, and Highlighter palette in the shade Flashed. Along with those purchases, I also got a free makeup bag as well as lipstick holder. Hindi ako sure kung available pa ito or it's just a holiday collection. You can get this one for a minimum purchase. So that's why I got this. I'll be doing a separate review and swatches for that one, so stay tuned. Okay, so now let's proceed naman with skincare products. So yung mga papakita ko sa inyo is from this store called Beauty Buffet. Bago lang to sa Pilipinas, they just recently opened their first flagship store, I believe between April or May of this year. First time ko makapunta, which is in Ayala Malls, the 30th. Basically, pumunta lang ako doon just to visit this store, pero meron na rin silang ibang branches. Konti lang naman tong pinamili ko. First item that I got is from this brand called Sentiu, and it's the Skin Refining and Whitening Scrub. I believe you can use this on your face as well as your body. Next item is their Double Milk Triple White Bath Cream on the same brand, Sentiu. Next item from this same brand is the whitening body lotion with SPF 25 and coenzyme Q10. I also got 2 items from their brand Made in Nature. So the first one is this goat milk foam cleanser. I also got their this white night booster body treatment with collagen and Q10. They also carry this makeup brand called Gino Macrae, pero hindi ako bumili ng cosmetics. Instead, I just bought the mineral water spray, Smooth and Bright, just because I wanted to try. Also, I got, this is not a skincare, but it's actually under beauty. But this is their double eyelid sticker. I've used it several times and gustong-gusto ko siya kasi it really does work. Tapos it lasts long bake. Even I have oily skin. it really helps. Well, that's it for this haul. Feel free to comment down below, and please subscribe as well as like this video. I'll appreciate it. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye!